started in 2010 as Microport in Shanghai, and they have more than 500 employees. It is settled in China. And this Microport EP has been focusing on the development and manufacturing all the new innovation in electrophysiology. I was lucky to visit first in the Chinese Conference of Electrophysiology and the booth of Everpace, and also to go to their factory in Shanghai. In this conference, it was very well organized. Actually, it was my first visit to China. I was fascinated by the organization, by the people, and by their emotions. I didn't imagine that Chinese have emotions. I thought that Africans only have emotions, but they were very, very friendly. They smile and they talk and make jokes. All Europeans who visited this place were very fascinated by this visit. I have my own machine of Columbus because it is not a costly machine like other machines. We started using it in conventional ablations, in PVC localization. It's user-friendly. As you saw, my team were carrying the machine in boxes and moving it all through the country. We moved with it from Upper Egypt to Alexandria, to Mansoura, everywhere in Egypt. It's very user-friendly, and any engineer, even if he's a new graduate one, can use it. This machine has everything. This is the ablator, the stimulator, and the pump. The catheter, also they have this contact force, and we are lucky to have it for ablation of atrial fibrillation, and they also have the different pentaray-like, lasocaster-like. I love this idea of see what people do, make similar one, and improve. You don't have to start from scratch. You have to see what is the latest, take it, do it, and go better. This is a publication about the use of this catheter, Fire Magic catheter with a contact force, and it showed very good results and safety. Of course, we can use it for 3D mapping. Actually, if you fall in love with Carto, this is your second wife, not on third. With this catheter, you can ablate PVCs easily. You can make scar, a voltage map, activation map, and also they have the intracardiac echo, which we haven't had in Egypt yet, but we'll have it one day. This intracardiac echo in America is a must for transeptal, for looking at the catheter contact with the papillary muscle. Of course, Felix and David understand what I say. In Egypt till now, we don't have it. My colleague in Cairo University had 7 catheters, they broke, and that was the case. But one day, Alfie will bring it to me. The products, we use these products in Egypt, the transeptal sheath, the transeptal needle, even the deflectable sheath, which we call it like Agilis-like, is even better than Agilis. This is from our storage room, and we can re-sterilize them easily and safely. The Microport have the cryo ablation balloon and machine and console. If you do the Medtronic, you will find it very easy to shift to Microport. Sorry, Adel. The balloon has some more than one sensor in order to measure the temperature all through the antrum, and it's also user-friendly. Farapulse, pulsed field ablation, is also, it will get approval very soon. Maybe it got the last month or kida. This is also user-friendly, and we can use the pulse, which you can deliver the energy through it. This is an example of a case of pulse field ablation, and also you can see with the same catheter you can draw a 3D mapping. In America, they have to pulse is with FaraView. This is costly, or you have the HD grid with the FaraPulse. This is very costly, or you have the Carto the pent array, and this is very, very, very costly. So this is very economic. In Africa, you have to think about money. In America, you have to think about success, glory, and absence of complication. Sorry, Felix. Okay. Here is how these pulsed field catheters delivers the energy, which is like electric shocks, in order to isolate the veins. I was really impressed that they have this stereotaxis catheter. Stereotaxis is you can manipulate the catheter by technology through a magnet inside the cath lab from far distance. Felix can do a case while he's sitting here in America or in Egypt. And this stereotaxis catheter is also manufactured by Microport. I'm really a fan of Microport. Here you can see the yellow arrow is directing to the direction of the catheter, and this is the map, of course 3D mapping, and very good signals from the same machine. Microport has been spread in the international market in Turkey, in Italy, in Spain, in Brazil, in Thailand, and also in Egypt. This is the meeting. This is the CEO of the company, if you want money. Thank you very much. No questions.
A question, how many cases already have you done? And since all is in one, how is it practical to deploy and to redeploy and to move here, to move there? It's like what, like a suitcase that you run here, and to deploy, it takes like 2 minutes. You walk and you put back everything, or how? And again, Microport, I heard Microport is French, from Soaring, something like that. I'm here in China, I don't understand. Or the group that makes pacemakers is in France and Italy, and the one that EP Lab Materials is in China. I don't understand.
First, Alfie can tell you how easy you can backpack the machine in boxes. We have 3 boxes. Alfie, he is the coordinator of the movement of the machines.
Actually, the machine is very friendly in using inside the EP Lab. This is one thing, and it is because we used in Egypt to move machines like the one of Boston Scientific in the last like 5 or 6 years. We used to pack it and transfer it between the hospitals and other machines like the one of Abbott, also the Claris. But the thing is, the Everpace machine, the Columbus machine, it is designed to be portable with its boxes. So it is fitted inside the boxes, which has the foam-like security on the all the machine, and it is all loaded on easy go wheels. So it is designed to be portable. This is one thing. The other thing, we have been using it for years now, and the quality of the signals and the quality of the machine, it never changed since the first day till now. So this is a very good thing of a portable machine.
Ahmed?
Thank you very much. Our next speaker is Ahmet Karakurt from Turkey, who will be speaking about installation and deinstallation and transfer of the Columbus 3D mapping system.